Hi, I'm Donna. This video is to show how I built my pom-pom maker and how to use it to make up to 20 pom-poms at a time. The template for Cricut can be found on my website bramble.finch.com, as well as a PDF template for those that wish to use a printout as a guide for spacing. If you are using a Cricut, load the design into Design Space and select Premium Vinyl when cutting. The measurements and writing will be on the first mat, with the second mat cutting the rectangle backgrounds. Load the fine point blade into clamp B and load your vinyl into your Cricut on a 24-inch cutting mat and press the button to start cutting. Once the first mat has finished, load the second mat with the background vinyl and continue cutting. Using vinyl transfer tape to keep the design elements in their correct spacing, stick the vinyl background rectangle onto the wood. Do the same again with the writing and measurements vinyl layer, sticking this on top of the base vinyl. Using a brayer can help ensure good adhesion of the vinyl. A separate vinyl note in its background rectangle should be stuck in the same manner onto the side of the wood for reference when making pom-poms. Using your drill bit, drill to a depth of 0.4 of an inch at either end of the wood at the vinyl dot place marker. Put a small amount of PVA glue into the drilled holes and insert the dowels to secure. Leave the glue to set for a few hours and your pom-pom maker is complete. To use your pom-pom maker, tie the end of your yarn to a dowel and begin wrapping around both the dowels. The number of wraps you need depends on the thickness of your yarn as well as the size of pom-poms you are making. Here I am making 20 1-inch pom-poms and I wrapped double knit yarn around 50 times. Broad base to work from for double knit yarn is to allow approximately 50 wraps per inch of the pom-pom size, increasing this slightly for thinner yarns and reducing a little for thicker yarns. Using the corresponding guideline for the size pom-poms you are making, tie a length of yarn at every notch on the lower side of the guideline. This pom-pom maker allows you to make 20 1-inch pom-poms at once, 10 2-inch pom-poms, 6 3-inch pom-poms or 5 4-inch pom-poms. Once you have finished tying the yarn at the correct spacings, use the upper notches on the corresponding guideline to cut the pom-poms separate, leaving a few strands intact temporarily to help keep them taut whilst cutting. Once they have all been cut most of the way through, you can begin cutting the remaining strands to free the pom-poms. Once they are all cut free, trim any long strands to neaten the pom-pom. Here I am making some 4-inch pom-poms and I have wrapped the yarn 200 times. With the pom-poms at either end around the dowels, the loops should be cut free. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date on my new videos. I'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and say hi. Thanks for watching.